want to talk to y'all for a minute really quickly about SEO and the importance of good SEO and the importance of actual having context text, especially when you're using images. I did two examples. I was studying some JavaScript and I just thought, well, this would be a good place to make a video. Here I have two web pages. One's called Entitled 1 and one's called To Delete. Okay, they're two different web pages. They both display, here's the To Delete and here's the Untitled. They both display the same thing. This one has this extra picture, but it doesn't matter. They both display the same thing. What I'm trying to get at is your coding is very, very important for your SEO. When Google comes and searches Google has a little Googlebot that comes around and scrubs the code of your page and indexes it. And the only thing they have to index images are the descriptive tags that you use, like your alt tag or your title tag. And if you do your images in JavaScript, here you can see I've assigned a variable to each of the images and then I place the images using the variable. So document right 1, 2, 3, and 4 might be better if you see it like this. But you can see that there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4, and that this thing here, this little piece of code right here, writes that image to the screen. Whereas here, this piece of code writes that image to the screen. And this piece of code is better for your SEO than this piece of code. And the reason why is Google goes and scrubs the code. They don't scrub the visual part of your screen. They scrub the coding part of your screen, which is found if you look on a website and you go to Tools, and let me see if I can show you where this is. If you look right here, this is what Google is scrubbing. This is what, it doesn't go through here to index your page. It goes through here to index your page. So if your page has things like this one has an alt tag, it has a title tag, this one here has an alt tag and a title tag, versus this one that has nothing except a piece of script coding that says document right 1. Well, what is 1? Google doesn't really know what that is, and so when somebody goes to the Google search engine and they type blue tropical fish, do you think Google's going to serve this web page more likely, or do you think they're going to serve this web page which has blue tropical fish as part of the alt tag? It's very, very important that you put alt tags on your images. It's very, very important that you use these tags to help your SEO. Search engine optimization comes from this part of your website, the coding part. It's important that your code be neat, organized, and clean. The index is basically a huge book, and Google is basically the back of the book, the index of the book. So they use this content here to index your page, and if somebody's looking for a picture of a blue tropical fish and they type that into the Google search box, Google is going to look at their massive index and they're going to look for blue tropical fish. This page has it, this page does not, and they both pages display the same thing. It's a matter of how you write your code, and you should try as much as you can to put good content, textual code in your coding. It's very important for your SEO, and this was just something I was studying. I was looking at some JavaScript and I was studying on it, and I thought this would be a good thing to do to do a video on, just so y'all could see. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks. If you like this video, be sure to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Click like or dislike here to add comments in your opinions of the video, and also down here you can hit here and enter your comments if you'd like to add some comments to my video. All of that stuff helps my channel grow and allows me to deliver information to y'all. So please, please, please be sure to do those things. Thank you.